This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Deborah Saunders. Stunning mountain views of the Smokies right from your own backyard. This 1.5-story brick and stone home offers easy main-level living with 3 bedrooms, laundry and living areas on the main floor, plus an oversized bonus room, full bath and attic storage that could be its own primary suite. The rest of the finishes throughout are top-notch to make this literally move-in ready. Bring your clothes. Life here is simple and peaceful. This quiet, low-traffic community takes care of all the maintenance for you, mowing, mulching, etc., so that you can actually spend time enjoying your home. You are minutes from Turkey Creek shopping, greenways, hospitals and access to I-40. The backyard is the real showstopper. Total privacy with spacious brick paver patio, oversized deck and fabulous outdoor kitchen. If you've been dreaming of a serene modern retreat with views that will take your breath away, this is the one. For more information